What's up, y'all? I want to make an easy, quick video today. I'm going to clean my dad's shop up. He deserves it. I love him. This ain't my shop. This is my dad's shop. This is where all the magic happens. We do all the work here. My dad works out of here. It's how he makes his living. And it's pretty gross. Not gross, but it's just, there's stuff everywhere. Stuff everywhere. It's because we actually get stuff done here. But it's Sunday, and you know what? I decided to be nice. I'm just going to clean up for my dad. He deserves it. He's awesome. Just some little sign of appreciation that, I appreciate him letting me use this shop, make all these videos for you guys. And that's it. So we got a lot of stuff to pick up, a lot of stuff to put away, a lot of stuff to blow out. I want to say I appreciate y'all, all the feedback, almost at 700 subscribers. A lot of exciting truck videos coming up. But you know what? I wanted to take a little break from all them truck videos I've been making and just switch it up just a little bit and show some appreciation. Don't think I've ever shown my father on this channel, but this is his shop. This is not my shop. Love him to death. Sweetest guy ever. Does a lot for a lot of people, including me. And the very least I can do for him is help him clean up some of the mess that I've made, he's made, we've made. And yeah, man. Let's get into it. I finally got a toolbox in here. This is my toolbox, which, by the way, I would love to get some clear coat and maybe redo. Maybe I'll make a video of it. I just cleaned it off and gritted it down, but it needs to be clear coated. I'm going to take all these microfibers. Oh, look, a t-shirt. I'm going to take all these microfibers, all 75 of them. Yep, I used all 75 on polishing that black truck. We're going to take all that, throw them in my washing machine. That's how we're going to start, because they need to be done and they are reusable. And I never wash microfibers, but I need to, so today is the day. Believe you just wash them on cold. You use a regular, as non-aggressive of a detergent as you have. Something that has no dyes and no fabric softener. All right, there we go. There's our load. I gotta see if I may have some extra t-shirts and stuff. A lot of times I leave extra shirts in here because it gets sweaty. I take it off, I go get a new shirt, and then I just leave it here. I already went and got cups and bowls taken out because I leave cups and bowls in here too. I'm really horrible. Really, really horrible, actually. You know what? We're going to take all these microfibers. Boom. Boom. Wow. About 8 more there. Holy smokes, brother. We got a lot. Oh, here we go. Another t-shirt. I chose today to clean up because my dad's coming back. He was out of town over this weekend. He went up north to Orlando to go to the Orlando Speedway and watch a drag race. The next time we go up there, I think we're going to take his race car. I think today's strategy is just going to be to try to get everything off the floor and all surfaces. And then we're going to blow everything out. We'll go from there. Dad loves locking stuff. You guys don't even know how filthy this truck is. This truck could be a 35-minute video on its own. Oh my God, my dad's work truck. This is his old work truck. This ain't even his new work truck. This truck is so gross. This truck has 300,000 miles on it, bro. 300,000. This engine is so tired, you don't even know. This is a gas F-250. I never even see a gas F-250. Man, y'all should comment if you want to see me detail that Ford. You have no clue how dirty it is. I'm going to spare you. I ain't even going to show you. I did blow the shop out the other day, but it's kind of dirty already. A lot of stuff needs to be moved. This thing actually has a funny spot where it lives. I'm going to show y'all. Yeah, that's where it lives. Gotta be careful not to chop your head off. Yep. And you got to do that. Get out of there before you start breathing in all that nice exhaust. I have a pile of room somewhere. I have no clue what this is. This is going to be the start of a miscellaneous pile. Things that I don't know where they go. I got to form some type of pile. Maybe a table, I don't know. 2 pump sprayers. Well, we're going to put them right on this side right here. That's a big hitch. Oh. Ooh, that's 1,000,000 ants. It's 1,000,000 red ants. An old shirt that I left out. Nice. Some navel jelly. Some more ants. Some trash. Some more trash. My detail bucket. Hey, I will say, Jay Leno has a pretty good deal at Walmart. $40, you get a detail bucket and like 6 different products for cleaning a car, and you know what? It's actually a pretty good deal. This has been my best friend with that new truck. It's too tall, man. It's so tall. This thing is no joke. Heavy. Oh, here comes the man of the hour. I swear I remember seeing one of those 2 lights light up. Well, the blue or the... missing the bulb. Oh, what about the black one? It has its bulb. You gotta plug it. Oh no, I think it finally broke. This one needs a bulb. That one it broke. I got every one of them. There's a plug. So I want to get new lights and just plug them in and put them up there. Those work? Those outlets up there? All those outlets up there work. Every one of these bulb lights is plugged into an outlet. God. You want to replace them with something, some 110 LED something? I want to replace them with something super bright, like, I don't know. These were good. They're kind of fading now. Well, we still got to blow it out, but it's about as good as it's going to get out there for it being dark. So we're going to move along. So what we need to do is clear that back section out so we can line these jacks up real nice and just put away all this random stuff. Better. Yeah, way better. Not perfect, but way better. So now I got a bunch of stuff I need to blow out, which I'll do now. And then we're gonna work on this area. And then that we're about halfway done. We still got a lot of work to do. But hopefully a couple more hours, you know. there we go. There's that corner. So we're probably about halfway done. Looking really good. I'm looking filthy. And this shop is filthy. I mean, there's so much dirt. There's dirt on like, oh, the nape of my neck. My girlfriend just called me for dinner. She's gonna be like, oh my God, Anthony! Anthony! She ain't gonna want me to sit down. Oh my goodness. Big ass pipe wrench. Ooh. What is he doing with this? Let's pick this general area right here. This has got to be the cutest little wrench. What do you use this wrench for? This wrench is for when you just got a little problem. All right, well, it's looking better. Looking a lot better, a lot more organized. I'm not gonna get crazy. It's 10 p.m. It's Sunday, but I know my dad's gonna be happy, man. That's all that matters. Just gotta finish this area, which I don't think it's gonna be as bad as you'd think. I think it just looks really blown up because there's a lot of big stuff in the way. But overall, I really don't think it's that big of a deal. Just gonna get the car lifted up a little bit and get to it. I think a lot of stuff just needs to be pushed to the sidelines. Well, here we are. It's about 12 in the morning and we're done. And you know what? It's looking really, really good. For a day's work, basically night's work, I got no complaints. Floor's clean. Pretty much all the work benches and surfaces are clean. And just a lot less stressful. And I know that my dad is probably gonna have a really I know my dad's probably gonna have a really nice week, and I'm sure when he wakes up tomorrow morning he's gonna be super stoked. He's gonna walk out here, see how clean the floor is. I'd like to clean it even more, but it's a Sunday night. This is all I got for one day. But you know what, man, it's great. And next week, while I'm filming videos, it's gonna look a whole lot cleaner, which will benefit everybody. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That looks way better. It's the morning after. And my cat woke me up mad early, so here I am. Hey man, I'm glad I did that last night. Freaking awesome. Super, super clean. Super duper clean. That thing about killed me last night. This thing, I was trying to push this thing this corner. Whatever this death machine is, the front fell that way. And it about fell sideways. On top of that, this thing about killed me, man. And man, I could have moved this stuff, but hey, you gotta leave some meat on the bone, right? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That was a good day's work. Well, that's going to do it for this video. There will be plenty more to come. I appreciate all love and support. 700 subscribers we just hit. It's crazy. I think we got almost 50,000 views on the channel. It's awesome. If you guys want to see some more behind the scenes or just different type of content like this, you'll have to let me know. I want to maybe switch it up here and there. I don't want to bore y'all with the same. So I hope y'all have a great rest of your day or night. And tune in. We'll be doing some work on that black chart soon. Exciting news. And yeah, man. I love you, Dad. You deserve this. Thanks for working hard. Thanks for not divorcing Mom. Thanks, Dad. Thanks for being a good guy. I appreciate it. Have a great night.